Hi, in our last tutorial, we have seen what is factory design pattern and how to create factory design pattern. In this tutorial, we will deep dive into abstract factory design pattern. In order to understand abstract factory design pattern, we need to have a clear understanding of factory design pattern. Link is given in the description below. Abstract factory pattern is another layer on the top of factory pattern, and we can say it is the factory of factories. So let's jump into code. We will create client class and keep it blank as of now. Next, we will create an abstract device class and have an abstract method getDetails. Then we will create the specific devices class with specific values which will be used by the client. We will create del and extend a device class and override the getDetails method and return del configuration. Similarly, we will create another laptop of brand HP and then mobile, OnePlus and Nokia. We will change the respective getDetails return value. In real use case, it will have the actual business object. Replace Dell with OnePlus. And for laptops, we will use another parameters, that is GPU. And we'll return the GPU configuration. Let us update the Dell configuration too. We will then create an abstract device factory which will be extended by mobile factory and device factory, and have an abstract method getGadget which will return me a device object. We need to pass device type. Let's create a device type enum and set values Dell, HP, OnePlus, Nokia. Next, we will create laptop factory and extend abstract device factory and override getGadget method. So if device type is HP, we will create a HP object with all its configuration and return to the mega factory. Specialty of factory pattern is client or the user doesn't bother about object creation or its configuration. It just orders the factory for a specific type of objects, and the factory is responsible for implementing the required configuration and provide the object. Similarly, for Dell, it will be return Dell object. We will copy and create a mobile factory which will return OnePlus object. Our OnePlus mobile doesn't have a GPU configuration, and for Nokia, we will return Nokia object of processor MediaTek or say Intel. Then we have the mega factory or factory of factories, which will have a static method getFactory and it will return factory of type abstract device factory. It accepts a parameter factory type. Let's create an enum of factory type, laptop factory and mobile factory. And when it is the laptop factory, it will ask the laptop factory to create a particular laptop. And for mobile factory, it will provide a particular mobile object, either OnePlus or Nokia. In the client, we will call factory generator with factory type laptop and order for Dell laptop, and can print out the Dell laptop details. Likewise, we will get mobile factory and then mobile factory.getGadget of type Nokia will give us Nokia object. Okay, we need to either cast it or use abstract device factory. I will go with abstract device factory to keep it simple. Let's run it. We can see all the details are printed successfully. We can also use the HP device or even OnePlus mobile and console out OnePlus 2 string, all logged successfully. This is how we implement abstract factory design pattern, which is the factory of factories. That's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to CodeSpace. For any queries, write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.